Need money for college? Kelly Peeler and her company, NextGen Vest, may just be what you're looking for. Kelly Peeler grew up in New Jersey, but now resides in New York City. She is a 2006 graduate of the Pingree School in Basking Ridge, New Jersey. She then continued her education and received her bachelor's degree from Harvard University in 2010, majoring in history and economics. Prior to starting NextGen Vest, Kelly was an analyst with JP Morgan's investment bank, covering financial institutions, and also as an advisor, building $100 million investment portfolios for private equity clients. Alongside her time at JP Morgan, she ran Business Across Borders, a nonprofit organization that brings entrepreneurship programs to Iraqi universities. As a student at Harvard University, she studied the history of financial crisis, created the first collegiate website for financial crisis, started the National Women in Business Summit for top female leaders around the world, and was the varsity captain of the women's water polo team. She was selected as one of the 8 Kauffman Foundation Global Scholars in 2013. She was accepted as one of the 30 up-and-coming women in Women in America, as one of the 100 most intriguing entrepreneurs. She was named a White House Start the Spark ambassador and has been featured on CNN, CNBC, NBC, 17, Huffington Post, Vice, and TechCrunch. Kelly is known for her TED Talk entitled How to Change the World as a Millennial. As we all know, college is expensive. The average debt per college student is about $39,000, and 30% of students who take out loans drop out of college before graduation. High school students left as much as $2.7 billion in free financial aid on the table in 2014-2015 academic year. That's mainly because they didn't submit free application for federal student aid, or they filled them out incorrectly. Kelly Peeler's goal with NextGen Vest is to reduce that figure. If you're a current college student struggling with debt, would you want help finding money towards college? This is where NextGen Vest comes in. The goal of NextGen Vest is to provide an app and service that aims to help students make smart decisions about financing their education. Their approach is a free text message service that provides students with the help they need in order to navigate financial aid and student loan processes. This service connects students to a human advisor at any hour of the day. Kelly Peeler says that the business model for NextGen Vest is still in its early stages, but hopes that it'll be similar to that of Credit Karma. Credit Karma offers free credit tools but makes money through financial product recommendations. NextGen Vest has had a huge impact the past couple of years, with over 65,000 students helped and $40 million in financial aid provided. Additionally, over 30,000 FAFSA questions have been answered by money mentors, and over 10,000 scholarships have been matched. In 2017, reports showed that the annual revenue for NextGen Vest was about $3.9 million, all of which came from funding from the Kauffman Foundation. 2017 reports also show that the current number of employees under Kelly Peeler for NextGen Vest is at 67. Is NextGen Vest successful? According to college student Malcolm from New York City, his money mentor knows more about student loans than his parents. He thinks that she's a real expert. NextGen Vest also helped Freddie Chang. Freddie Chang did not get any financial aid until he asked, thanks to the advice from his money mentor. After asking, UPenn offered him $49,000, which made it possible for him to continue his education. This short video sums up what NextGenVest is all about. In addition to helping students with financial aid, NextGenVest also helps aid in things like resume development, helping making friends in college, and even giving tips for studying for finals. With the idea of NextGenVest at the age of 30, this business idea landed Kelly Peeler on the Forbes 30 Under 30 Social Entrepreneurs in 2018. With the help of Kelly Peeler and money mentors around the world, college students can feel more comfortable in being able to afford their higher education.